What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So if you have not done already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if any of the stocks that I showed on my schedule is in your portfolio or you're curious about the price action. Also, give the video a like because I've been right about NIO since this whole downtrend started. So give the video a nice like. So let's take a look at NIO on the daily chart. Looks like we're coming very close to the $10.50 target that I had before. And I don't think anyone is saying we're not going to reach it now because we're just very close to it. And it looks like the market is not even done selling off either. I've been doing SPY analysis, and it looks like that's not even done either. That's probably like 50%, maybe 40% done for the drop. We'll have to wait and see, but it still looks pretty bearish. So NIO practically still perfectly inside of this green or blue downtrend channel. So you can see this downtrend channel right here contains all the price bars. Since NIO is still inside of it, that means the bears are very strong because they continued the momentum lower. So I'm looking for that mid $10 level. I think we can get there this week as long as this momentum stays intact. Obviously, if we see a pullback, it's going to take longer to reach the target. But as long as we don't see a huge pullback, meaning like above the $13 level, something like this, then there's a good chance we will still go lower. But if we do get above it like this, then we can go higher. But if we still stay below it, I'll be still bearish on NIO until we reach that mid $10 level. It's not guaranteed, but that is the magnet that price is trying to reach to. That price level is acting as a magnet, that mid $10 level. So you might even drop to the low 10s. Or in the high 9s. We'll have to wait and see. But NIO still bearish. I think I'm going to make a couple changes to the drawings. Since we're not even going to come back up to the $17 level anytime soon, I'm just going to remove it. I can go and probably make this orange channel a little bit smaller or slimmer because it's probably not even going to be in play. So we can just make it smaller like that. I can go and maybe erase a couple of these red circles. Something like that just to clean up the chart. It doesn't really matter anymore. So this is the price action that I'll leave on the chart. I think I could probably remove this too, and maybe even this downtrend channel. But either way, basically why was I even looking for that mid $10 level is because we made a huge move up, no continuation, and then we saw the drop, the collapse of NIO right back to the starting point. I've seen thousands of charts, and this is the pattern that normally plays out, and you can see that it's playing out exactly how it should be. So we might even continue to trend down lower. I'm not saying we're going to stop at the mid $10 level. I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, don't think I'm saying that's the bottom. We might even continue to trend down lower through that level and maybe even the all-time lows of this downtrend. We'll have to wait and see. But NIO is not showing any signs of weakness in the downtrend. If you want to be bullish, you want to see this downtrend channel break, and that would show signs of weakness. So something like that would be a sign of weakness, and then usually we'll probably still see another push lower. But at least you want to see the break. If I'm a bull, I want to see the break. We haven't even gotten the break yet, so that's not a good sign. So there's a good chance we'll probably reach that mid $10 level. Do I even see a lower price target? Like I said before, I think the high 9s, low 10s will be the next target. There's a lot of support right there, or it's a key level that can act as support. So we'll see. But NIO's still bearish. I mean, nothing much to say. I mean, this is a higher time frame chart anyway, so you can see that the drawings will usually not need to be adjusted quite often as an intraday chart. So you can see that, basically we're still within the downtrend channel. I'm looking for the mid 10s. We hit the $11.15 level today, so I mean we almost got there. It looks like NIO gapped down and just pulled back to fill in the gap. So you can see that price action opened at the $11.20 level, whatever. Price pull up, trended up to fill in the gap that it created. It didn't completely fill it, and then we closed down lower. So this is still bearish. I think there's a good chance we still see lower price targets. I need to see massive change in momentum for me to be bullish once again. I was bullish on NIO back over here when we were in this uptrend, and I was saying we're gonna go see nice higher price targets. But now I'm bearish, so it just depends on what the price is doing at the end of the day. So NIO's still looking pretty bad. So you can see that we have 3 consecutive red weeks in a row. Only 2 days left in this week. Good chance it closes red. There is also a gap right here that could be filled. So you can see there's a gap between this weekly candle right here and this weekly candle. I'll move the circle. I'll put another circle. So this gap right here can be filled and completely fill it, the mid $10 level. And I think we're going to get there. There's a good chance of getting there. Yeah, it looks like NIO cannot get above that mid $13 level, low $13 level, which was previous support. Now it's acting as strong resistance. So we might even see the all-time lows of this downtrend retested. So I'll go and mark that right now. It's definitely a target because price is still dropping lower and lower. This looked like the end of the downtrend, but we could probably still continue to trend down lower at the end of the day. Depends on what price is doing. So I'm looking for the $10 level, mid $10 level. After we reach it, I'll probably be more neutral than bearish. And then we'll just have to wait and see what type of reaction we get there. We're almost there. EMA is right there. Gap fill is right there. Key level is near that area. So those are a lot of reasons why price should have pulled back lower over there. So that's all I have for NIO on the daily and weekly charts. I'll give you guys an update most likely next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.
The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.